Yeah. Look at all the cars here today. What up guys, welcome back to another vlog, and on today's vlog we're gonna do another steering wheel, and this time it's gonna be the E92 M3 steering wheel. So we're gonna replace that steering wheel here in just a second, but look at the lineup today. We have my buddy's RS5, we have Eric's E46 M3, my friend Vince's SQ5, and then Nam's SQ5 was down there too, but he just moved it. His has like an E85 tune. It's pretty freaking sick. The only mod we've done together so far is the front lip, and this is gonna be number 2 for the mods that we've done. There's a few mods on this car already, but yeah. So here, that's the steering wheel. The lighting's pretty ass right now, so I'll take a better look at it. We'll take a better look at it in just a second. Oh my god, this is the stuff of dreams right here. Oh.
Mine's dancing too. Yeah. Just block it out.
So here it is. This is the stock steering wheel. It's pretty nice because it's already an Alcantara. Look at that. Wait, hold it for like 2
if I
seconds.
grab it to get out of the car.
Oh yeah, look. There you go, guys. That's the new steering wheel. It's a Nardi steering wheel made for a Zonda. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. Yay, thank you. Huge thanks again to Carbontastic for this Carbontastic experience. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it comes even with the freaking car cover thing.
No, it's not a car cover.
Oh man. Oh snap. Oh snap, crackle, pop. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Oh, I love this. Oh, look how thick this thing is. Yeah, it's pretty. That's the old. This is the new. Right there. Yeah, so the old one, this is like fake carbon on the old one. It's like the previous guy wrapped it, and I didn't want to take it off because I felt like it was gonna be. So step number 1 on doing this, disconnect el baterio. So the battery's in the trunk under all my shit. Step number 1, you're gonna find your battery here on the right side of the trunk for E92 M3, and you just gotta disconnect. That's tighter. Take it off right here. And that's that. There you go. So the next step here in this video, I did something stupid. I closed the back trunk and I forgot it electronically opens, and it disconnected the battery. So that's a big mishap. That's pretty dumb of me. I didn't know that was gonna happen.
That's why you don't leave your shield on.
That's a very Richie moment right there. Okay, so we're putting the battery tender
It's a jumper.
on the jump.
I don't think this is gonna work, but
yeah, because I disconnected the battery, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, it popped.
Oh, then the battery worked.
Yeah, see, I need all my friends here because obviously stuff like this happens to me a lot. So the next step in installing the steering wheel here, it looks so sick. Thank you Carbontastic for the steering wheel. Thanks for Eric for getting it for me. Yeah, this is such a cool present. Yeah, the first step is to disconnect the battery, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the original airbag. The reason why you wanna remove the battery or disconnect the battery, so it's so that this thing doesn't explode and the airbag doesn't activate in front of you, which would be really bad. Eric's gonna show me how to do that because he's pretty good at this type of stuff. I've never done it before. We did it before with the G-Wagon, but it's a little bit different. I think it's a little bit different with the BMW. So we're gonna do that right now with the new steering wheel. This thing is significantly thicker than the one that's currently on the car, and it feels amazing. This looks so great. Like, look at that. Look at the weave, the red stripe, and yeah, look at the contours right here. So what do you have to do?
So there's 2 slots. There's like a dimple that you pierce, and there's a spring that holds the airbag in. And
so you have to pierce it, and OEM, it's not pierced, huh?
Yeah, OEM is not pierced, so yours is already pierced.
Is it?
Yeah, because they probably had to take it off to wrap this thing.
Oh, I see. So you take out the battery, you let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you have to press in the spring from the left side?
Both sides.
Both sides. Like after you press it, you don't have to hold it, right? After you press it, it comes out, comes undone.
Yeah, the spring will undo, but
Let it out.
So it takes some effort.
there's like a
Oh, there you
switch
go. So you have to shimmy the airbag as you do that.
And that's like, that's why everyone's like, my parents like, never keep your clippers safe. Because like, who's gonna steal?
Oh, there you go. You got it.
Alright.
After you take off the airbag, you just take off the connecting ports.
I probably have to take this off.
This one you have this clip. Yeah. Yeah, wiggle. Yeah. Now I'm hot.
Trying to get this into focus.
So these are your airbag connectors.
Yeah, because one time we dropped something into the box and then it just
And I was like, oh, that's good to know that.
So, this is your airbag. That's the inflator. This is what explodes and
Yeah.
shoots the airbag out. Do we have to swap over all this stuff?
let me see. No, that one has it, but it has to swap over all the wire harness and the buttons. So now you can take off the steering wheel, because those stay in the wheel and then we take it off later.
Okay.
So it's just that center bolt in the middle, right?
Yeah. What size is it?
I get it.
Maybe 17?
But then it's like, why not just design it to look scary?
This 5/8.
Yeah.
Oh, it fits.
You can give it to him.
It's okay.
Don't put anything under the car?
Yeah. We don't want to run over it.
Oh. And there we go. We have no more steering wheel.
Alright, now.
That's freaking crazy. And now you have to swap over the buttons? Do you do that before you put it on, or you can do it after?
Do it before.
Oh, before. Ooh. That looks sick. And the red matches my button. Where do you need a small Torx?
T15.
215? To take off, there's like a ground or something right here.
Oh.
For the wiring.
He doesn't unlock the buttons yet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put the steering wheel on it.
Oh, you disconnected like 2 seconds. How'd you take it off?
There's a torque. Oh, you didn't vlog it?
Yeah, from behind, like from behind?
Yeah, here.
Oh, it's just like, it's on the other side.
There are 3 bolts from behind.
Oh, I see.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's how you remove it.
Oh, put it on the trim.
Oh, put it on the trim. Sweet. I thought you'd have to replace those. Dude, that would suck.
On the top corner.
Oh, yeah, it's missing. I don't know how that's missing. Like the
Fall?
I was like, what?
I don't know. It's just gone. The other side has it.
It falls in.
But this one, make sure you get all the wiring off of it and the ground. So you just had to use like a small screwdriver to take that off. And now I'll put it onto the new one right here.
Where the hell does this go?
On your right.
Finally got all 3 screws in, and then you placed it here in the center, and then the last thing to do is to place the place the bolt, the center bolt in the center of the cylinder. So just before you tighten it up and stuff, just make sure it's straight.
Yeah? I don't even know where mine is.
Hey Vince, pull the steering wheel down this way.
The power of friendship.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Oh, okay.
Did you want to keep?
I feel like
The power of friendship. And last but not least, reconnect your airbag connectors.
I think race car driver Richie doesn't need an airbag.
Yeah, if I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. You know what I mean? I don't.
Your car doesn't have the M buttons?
No, no M button. There's no. It's a stripper spec.
Oh, okay.
That's why. There's no M button. Yeah. That's why if we had to replace the buttons, it'd be really difficult. Because I feel like a stripper spec is so hard to find. Because it's always in M mode, pretty much. It's always in M.
The bolt is tight, right?
Well, the glue will set it.
Wow.
No, the center bolt.
Just
From
It's okay.
driving home.
It's
Boom.
from whack ass like fake carbon fiber to holy shit, this is real carbon fiber. Carbontastic steering wheel. Thanks again to the boys, Brian, Vince, Nam, Eric. Yeah, you're
I'm
here.
being a cheerleader.
Right. Now you have to put the cover on and do
A reveal.
Let's connect the battery.
Connect the battery. Okay. So put it back in there, and now to tighten it. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh shit! I can't reach it. I'm literally in the back seat because I can't get the camera far enough.
Brand new leathers.
To yeah. Okay. Holy crap. 1, 2, and 3. Oh yeah. There it is. Looking pretty sick. What do you guys think? The new Carbontastic steering wheel on the M3. You can freaking focus in. Look at the contours. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Thanks again to my friend Eric for getting me this, and thank you Carbontastic for the freaking crazy ass steering wheel. It's insane. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode. On the next one, I think we might do a Model 3 steering wheel. So the one I had before was the M Performance steering wheel, the actual OEM M Performance steering wheel. And then, yeah, this one feels significantly more sporty. I love the flat bottom, I love the carbon. Carbon looks absolutely amazing. And then the contours right here is exactly what I was looking for in a steering wheel. And then and definitely like this red line right here is an awesome touch because I love the color red, and we already have a red button there, so it's kind of like to match it and stuff. I think I'm gonna put more red stuff, just subtle stuff. Thinking about changing the color of my brakes, but you know, for now, like doing them red would look kind of weird in my opinion, so we'll leave them like color black for now. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this one, and tune in to the next one. And thanks again for Carbontastic. If you wanted more information on this steering wheel, follow the link down in the description down below to find your Carbontastic steering wheel.